classics to the latest hits. Local news and events happening around town.
And they last for 25 plus years with no maintenance.
Call now and install your own solar system with Awake Solar and get a 26% federal tax credit. That's right, 26%.
Call now for a free quote at 713-904-0191. That's 713-904-0191.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg mango festival. Amras ka swad Maharaja Bhog ke saath.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at, for details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at Maharaja Bhog.
Are you feeling down, dull, and tired? Don't lose yourself in this pandemic. Let us help you get out of this cocoon feeling beautiful and relaxed. Rediscover yourself at the Classy Divas Salon and Spa.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Arling's or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Arling's is here to make those moments happen. Arling's Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery, and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
COVID-19 has created an enormous health crisis and changed the way we perceive our everyday lives. We need something to prevent the spread of infectious diseases.
Don't worry, FaciliClean is here. Yes, FaciliClean is a trusted name when it comes to cleaning services in the greater Houston area and is a premier full-service cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting company. With the state-of-the-art equipment, technology, and certified technicians, FaciliClean offers high production spraying, disinfectant fogging, facility wipe down, stream clean, and preventative solutions.
FaciliClean is committed to helping their clients keep their facilities, tenants, and employees safe, and also available on nights and weekends.
Call us today for a free quote, 713-234-5003. That's 713-234-5003. And like FaciliClean on Facebook and Instagram.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio right here on 1050 AM. You can also listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Available on our iPhone and Android apps. Just go to the Apple App Store or Google Play on your Android. Click on Amazon or do tell Alexa to play Namaste Radio Live. So if you have an Alexa product, just say, hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio Live. And watch the live stream on our Facebook page and also on our website, namasteradiohouston.com. And now the show just got even better because now I'm joined by Upsubki favorite, Vanchika.
Woohoo!
And Houston Kahiro.
What's up, Houston?
Sushil.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Kya ji, namaste.
Absolutely sleepy.
Absolutely, Luli.
Sleepy. ये क्योंकि ये जो एक टाइम होता है ना संदीप 2 बजे ये मेरे बहुत ही हैवी लंच के बाद का टाइम होता है because knowing me, you know, lunch is my heaviest meal of the day.
Oh, lunch is yours?
Yes.
Actually, that's mine too.
Yeah.
Mine too.
Because वैसे भी मैं 6-6:30 के बाद इतना खाना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ.
पीना पसंद करती हैं?
नहीं, मैं पीना भी नहीं पसंद करती हूँ. ये गलत बात है. ये नहीं आप मैसेज दीजिए लोगों को. आप अपनी बात कर
रहा था. मैं अपनी बात.
So yes, 6:30 के बाद मुझे खाना पसंद नहीं. तो संदीप ये टाइम मुझे दबा के खाने का मन होता है. जो मैंने. So today I ate some goat pulao. I ate some chicken masala that I had made. And I ate some achar.
Achar.
Yeah,
What about chicken
weird
biryani?
combination. I didn't eat the biryani.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah. So, a good combination and I ate quite a lot.
Nice.
तो अभी मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है. लेकिन
But you have to be.
संडे नींद का टाइम भी नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज हम आपके साथ जुड़ चुके हैं आज 1 से 5 बजे तक. संदीप पहला आवर बहुत अच्छा था. आपने बहुत अच्छे गाने बजाए.
Thank you.
एंड सम मेलोडियस ट्रैक्स एंड द लास्ट वन जो हमारा फेवरेट है.
गजब का दिन.
नहीं. कौन सा गाना है? नहीं पता आपको? मन मर्जियां का.
Okay, because he doesn't like Vicky, right? Vicky.
कौन सा सारा जग छड़ के इज दैट द वन?
हाँ, सुशील भीख मांगना शुरू कर देते हैं उसके नाम से. सारा जग. बट हम भीख नहीं मांगेंगे. हम रिलैक्स होने की बात करेंगे फिलहाल क्योंकि ये वो टाइम है. रिलैक्स होके हमारा शो सुनिए लेकिन साथ साथ आप क्लासी दीवा सैलून भी जाइए जो है केटी में लोकेटेड. It is located at 937 South Mason Road. And go there, feel relaxed, feel beautiful. They have amazing facials that they do. Different kind of facials. I think when we spoke with Ruby recently 2 days back, she was also telling us, we did a Facebook live. In case you missed it, आप जाके देख सकते हैं वीडियो. हम लोग ने उनसे काफ़ी बातचीत करी about her business and exactly what Classy Divas Salon and Spa is all about. And papaya facial and aloe vera facial, बहुत तरह के facials हैं. लेकिन उनकी एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है क्योंकि आजकल वो थैंक गॉड बहुत बिजी चल रही हैं. आप अपॉइंटमेंट्स लीजिए और अपॉइंटमेंट्स के लिए प्लीज़ टेक्स्ट 856-693-8970. दैट्स 856-693-8970. In case you don't want to text and call her directly at the salon, the number is 281-646-0100. Classy Diva Salon and Spa in Katy. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram.
That's right. So Sushil, how's Papu doing?
Papu's doing fine. Absolutely fantastic. Great. अच्छा ही कर रहा हुआ यार लाइफ में. उसको किस चीज की टेंशन है?
No COVID-19. No, he's
आजकल पूरी दुनिया को कोविड की टेंशन है नहीं.
He's tested negative, positive.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I think so.
Still being positive,
Actually,
not negative.
हुआ क्या था? He went to an art gallery.
Art gallery, okay.
Papu went to an art gallery. So then he said, I suppose this horrible looking. He looked at a piece and he said, I suppose this horrible looking thing is what you call modern art. He was questioning the manager, and the manager said, I beg your pardon, sir. That's a mirror.
Oh. तो फिर मम्मी का कमाल है. मतलब क्या चीज बनाई मम्मी का कमाल हो गया. ये तो मम्मी डैडी की आर्ट हो गई नहीं.
हाँ. कॉम्बो.
लेकिन गुड संदीप, वीक बहुत अच्छा था. आपका वीक कैसा था?
Week's been good, been productive.
सुना आप बहुत भाग रहे हैं आजकल.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you ran like 15 miles this week?
15 miles this week. Yes,
My gosh.
And I love the Memorial Herman. Sorry, I'm thinking of the hospital. Memorial Park. Sorry.
तो आप इनडायरेक्टली लड़कियों को बोल रहे. कितने बजे जाते हैं भागने संदीप आप? वो भी बता दें उन्हें ताकि सारी लड़कियां उधर साइड में खड़ी रहें.
After they get off work, so I try to go 6:30.
Oh, so they can get home, change into their gym, workout clothes and then come.
तो मेरे भाई 15 माइल और भाग लेते, गैल्वेस्टन पहुंच जाते.
That's quite a run, but yeah, that would be good. But yeah, I love that park. You do one lap and it's 3 miles.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
So
but yeah, keep up the good work. I wish
Sushil
and I can join you someday soon.
It's very tough because see, I'm a guy that I do my weights in the morning at the gym and then I go for a run. But I've been doing treadmill a lot for years. But running on treadmill, running outside,
it's
big difference.
Big difference.
We have in our community section we have those beautiful lakes.
Yeah.
So I used to consistently run 2 miles about 2 to 3 times a week.
Yeah.
And of course in the morning then I used to hit exercises like 4 times a week. लेकिन जब से मेरे घर पे एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, Simba.
That's your cardio there.
Yeah. So my exercise routine has actually gone haywire. I do exercise sometimes not because he doesn't let me do exercise. He doesn't let me do hits. He thinks I'm playing with him, so he starts jumping on me. The only cardio I get is in the morning, 6:30, 7 o'clock when I play with him in my backyard.
That's right. उसके बाद he also sleeps after like being dead tired. But let's get into a song and then we will come back with some Bollywood gupshup.
About the song from your Saruk Khan.
Saruk!
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाँव जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 वो यार है जो खुशबू की तरह जिसकी जुबां उर्दू की तरह मेरी शाम रात मेरी कायनात वो यार मेरा सैया सैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया
Man, so many great memories of this song. I did my first hour on Amit Trivedi, but my all-time favorite music director, of course, A.R. Rahman.
A.R. Rahman. Oh yeah, he's God.
Yeah.
Allah Rakha Rahman.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's his name.
That's his name. Allah
Yeah.
Rakha Rahman.
Oh, really? I didn't know.
Uh-huh.
Really?
A.R. Rahman.
Wow.
I mean, it would be kind of weird, right? Saying, and the Oscar goes to Allah Rakha Rahman.
Yeah,
But
you know,
A.R. Rahman sounds very trendy.
Yeah, you know, every time I hear that name, Allah Rakha Rahman, right? It reminds me of, you know, there was an AB movie, Big Bachchan movie.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh, I think it was Coolie or something. उसमें वो there was a cheel, right? An eagle.
Okay.
और an owl, उसका नाम अल्लाह रखा था.
Shenshaw, no?
No, that was Coolie. Yeah.
Yeah, it was Coolie, right?
Yeah, yeah.
बोलता मैं अल्लाह
Whatever.
रखा और चिल्लाता तो आता है वो.
Whatever, Mera or Amitabh Bachchan.
Hi.
I like Abhishek more though. But we'll get to even that. We'll get to Abhishek news. But right now, yes, मेरे पास वो हाई वाली ही एक news है.
हाँ.
Okay.
मेरा I love शाहरुख खान a lot. आप सब जानते ही हैं. मतलब as an actor. लेकिन मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि शाहरुख खान इतने पैसे कमा रहा है अभी भी.
That because he's not an actor anymore.
No, he is an actor. He has some promising movies coming. Remember, I spoke about it with Vidhu Vinod Chopra last week.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's a businessman.
Businessman.
But look at this. I mean, I know there are people who get paid, and we did talk about PC also getting paid for Instagram. But even Shah Rukh Khan, for one Instagram post to promote someone or whatever, he gets somewhere between 1 to 1.5 crores.
Wow.
Social one post.
One post.
Can you believe it?
That's why Sarooq.
Sarooq,
I wonder though, is it just anything he can post, or is it just
I mean promoting brands.
promoting brands?
Yeah, I mean obviously he cannot just post ki go drink smoke cigarettes.
Yeah, drink.
Go
cigarettes.
drink
When did you start drinking?
और जहाँ बात शाहरुख खान की आती है तो सल्लू भाई कहाँ पीछे रहेंगे?
Sallu is always in the picture when Shah Rukh is there.
है ना, पैसे कमाने की जहाँ बात आती है.
Yeah.
So we all know about Big Boss, right?
Yep.
Salman has been hosting it, I think, for the last 7-8 years.
Right.
It started, the first one who hosted it was Amitabh Bachchan, I think. No, or Sanjay Dutt and no, Arshad Varsi, I think. So all of them have hosted it, but Salman टिक चुके हैं क्योंकि ये जो TRP बढ़ाने का चक्कर होता है ना, वीकेंड का वार, social, what is it, वीकेंड का वार?
मैं तो देखता ही नहीं.
Yeah, I haven't seen Big Boss in the last, I think, 7-8 years.
Mom देखती है, वो बता सकती है.
Yeah, like I think that's one of the most favorite serials of my mom and Sushal's mom also. And Sush and I both find it one of the worst serials. But मम्मियों की अपनी choice है, हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. So coming back to him hosting the season, so now is going to be season 14 of Big Boss, which is going to start very soon. But the cost Salman Khan is going to receive is 450 crores for the season.
He doesn't even have to do movies, man.
I mean,
पूरे साल का पैसा.
6 months.
No,
So
3-4 months, right?
No, it's about 6 months.
Oh, okay.
And he does every weekend. So he does Saturday, Sunday, something like that.
Oh, wow.
He doesn't. He's not there every day.
So it's saying that he's making about 20 crores per show, per
Yes.
episode. Wow.
Can you believe it?
उतना तो AB भी नहीं बनाता अपना.
नहीं, मुझे पूछना है कि Big Boss is one of the worst serials on earth. Why is he being paid so much? Why is Indian watching this kind of serial?
You'll have to ask him. Why don't you ask your mom and my mom?
Especially
I
even
can't
after,
ask your mom. I can't ask my mom. I'm sorry.
Especially even after his whole controversy with the Sushant case, right? I'm surprised people they're still paying him that much.
Because it's Salman Khan. लेकिन it's one of the worst serials यार. इतनी मार धार, बदतमीजी, चीखम चिल्ली होती है. I don't know why people watch it. Moms, yeah, y'all both need to stop watching it.
Let's see that happen.
I hope that'll happen. लेकिन आगे बढ़ते हुए गाने से पहले we want to tell you that it is brought to you by.
Absolutely, it's brought to you by a very good friend of the community and of course ours, and she's very good at what she does. She is none other than Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center. Over 15 years of experience in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management. Of course, hemo and peritoneal dialysis.
Yep.
Woohoo!
We got it.
She deals in chronic kidney diseases, which is basically can happen due to diabetes, high blood pressure and autoimmune diseases, जो हम South Asian community में बहुत दूर तक फैली हुई है. So she's the right person to take care of your needs, your health, if you have these chronic diseases. Give her a call today. She can help you. Her number is 713-520-6875. She's young, she's dynamic, she's fit. She's very healthy, by the way.
That's true.
And she'll make sure that you are fit and fine as well. So give her a call today, 713-520-6875, Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, or you can visit her online at bosenhealth.com.
इन गाने पे जाने से पहले मैं बता दूं एक बहुत बड़ा अनाउंसमेंट जो ऑन एयर कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज यहाँ पे प्रूफ लिखा है. माई मॉम जस्ट रेड, ओके दिस ईयर आई विल नॉट वॉच.
Wow.
Good job, mom.
She's not gonna
बोलने में चिकी है.
Auntie's not gonna watch the show?
No.
Auntie just said it.
She just said it.
She just said it.
बोलने में क्या है?
So we've recorded
we have
it.
Proof,
so
yes.
We have proof. Oh wow. Okay. But I can do one thing. If she's not gonna watch that, I'll at least play a song for her.
Absolutely. Salman Khan song because she loves Salman.
मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा, अरे यहाँ भी होगा वहाँ भी होगा, अब तो सारे जहाँ में होगा क्या? मेरा ही जलवा, मेरा ही जलवा.
Yes, that was from the movie Wanted.
Wanted, yes. बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी and a good comeback of Salman Khan at that time.
Absolutely. इसके पहले Salman Khan was almost finished.
And then he had like hit after that. Right?
Yeah. Thanks to Prabhu Deva, this movie was a good comeback. And then after this, he delivered, I think, is one of his biggest hit of his career, which was Dabang.
But wasn't this like all thanks to आपकी श्रीदेवी के पति?
Okay, so Boni Kapoor was the one who produced it, and Prabhu Deva was the one who directed.
So this producer का होता है ना, पैसे तो उसी को दे दें.
जानवी कपूर का
बाप. हाँ. तो हुआ क्या था? प्रभु देवा की पहली हिंदी मूवी थी वैसे भी है. And when Salman wanted to do a romantic movie, not an action movie, so when he heard the script and action, he said, छोड़ना यार, मुझसे होगा नहीं, ये डांस वगैरह कराएगा. Let's just do a romantic movie. But Prabhu Deva was very insistent. No, let's make
him dance a lot in that movie.
Oh, yeah.
So let's do a South Indian style first Bollywood movie.
Yeah, it's a remake of a South Indian movie though.
Yes.
लेकिन यस हम हैं तो बॉलीवुड गपशप सेक्शन में, बट आपको पता है कि कोई हॉलीवुड की न्यूज़ हो तो भी हम लेकर आते हैं. और सबसे बड़ी जो हॉलीवुड के बाप हैं आजकल, जो बहुत ही मस्कल्स वाले बाप हैं.
हॉलीवुड के बाप?
जी हाँ, जो
आर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर
नहीं, आजकल.
That's a good. No, he's a grandfather.
Oh, Dwayne Johnson, is it?
Yes, you got it right. Dwayne Johnson, or famously known as The Rock.
The Rock.
So his wife and his two little cutie daughters tested positive for COVID-19.
Woohoo! Oh, I mean,
So shit.
गलत expression.
He's jealous because he knows I like Dwayne Johnson.
Now you can say woohoo because they've recovered.
Yes, woohoo, they've recovered.
तुमने मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया आगे.
But he said they did go through a very, very, very rough patch, and he came, on record, and he released a video 2-3 days back about it, his entire journey through it, and he said that they were taking like all precautions, all kinds of precautions, especially for his kids. But I mean, if it has to happen, it'll happen. आजकल वही है, आप कितने भी precautions ले लो, I mean, like I say, Sushil is in the medical industry. He works, he goes every day. I mean, he's my biggest risk factor, but I got to live with him, right?
Yeah, but I try to get myself tested every month, so.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think almost every 3 weeks ho gaya abhi, Sushil. So,
my brother too, he's in the...
Yeah, your brother is a doctor himself, so... I mean, kya kar sakte? That doesn't mean... Yeah, you don't live with him every day, but still, I live with Sushil every day.
अरे यार, जब हमारा Big B नहीं बच पाया कोविड से, तो बाकी लोग क्या चीज़ है?
तुम Big B छोड़ो, Dwayne Johnson नहीं बच पाया, मतलब इससे ज़्यादा muscles और मतलब ताकत किस और आदमी में हो सकती है?
Now he can smell what the Rock is cooking.
Yeah, that used to be his line, right?
Line, yeah.
So yeah, it's, and जहाँ Dwayne Johnson नहीं बच पाए तो ये पतलू सा Robert Pattinson नहीं
some guy, I don't know why you like him. Anyway.
Dude, have you... Okay, Sandeep, today ये बात मैं clear कर...
Is he the same guy who was in that movie Full Moon?
नहीं. What is Full Moon?
अरे that book थी ना, book पे movie निकली थी, Half Moon, Full Moon.
I can't believe you don't even remember. It's freaking Twilight series.
Twilight, ना वही.
Full Moon.
Full Moon.
So actually the second part was called Twilight series, the Full Moon.
See, I told you.
But he forgot the main name. So Sandeep, have you seen the Twilight series?
I haven't seen any.
So homework for you.
No.
Yes. This week you will start watching all the four movies. Yes.
I can give it to you. I have it at home.
Yeah. No, it's available on Netflix. Go watch it.
Can kids watch it?
Yeah.
Then I'll give it to my niece and nephew.
No, I want you to watch it because every time you need to know how great of an actor and cute looking guy Robert Pattinson is.
Cute,
he's not gay. Why would he find Robert Pattinson cute?
Whatever. But yes, Robert Pattinson, और हमने इनके बारे में 2-3 हफ्ते इसलिए पहले बात करी थी because ये अब बैटमैन सीरीज में हैं. And the shooting had just started and people on the set got COVID-19. So Robert Pattinson tested positive and the shooting has been stopped for almost 2 weeks. Yes.
He's the new Batman?
He's not the new Batman, but probably
he's playing the villain or probably
villain or the...
But who is making Batman again? I'm just curious. I had no idea. Because I thought Christopher Nolan की Batman थी उसने तो खत्म कर दी ना.
Yeah, I don't know.
Dark Knight Rises was the last one and where Batman retires.
Google it, please.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But yes, let's get into another song and then come back with a little more reviews and things that Sandeep, Sushil and I have seen.
Why we're going to play this one. But let's see, Sushil, can you guess this?
The name of the song?
Yeah.
तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है.
I can never...
It's 90s, baby.
I think Sushil used to ratta on the tunes more than songs.
Yeah. We love here.
चाहत ही नजर आई है
तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है
The original Sadak.
The original one.
One of my favorite movies. And you know why I like this movie? I just want to say it.
Why is that?
Because of Maharani's character. Sadashiv Omra, whatever his name. Omreshpur, whatever, right? So he's the one who played that Maharani character. And that was a very menacing character. I think that's what made this movie really come out.
चलो लड़कियों शुरू हो जाओ.
Top की dash बनाऊंगी मैं तुझे. Remember? That's what Lisa said.
I guess. मुझे वो सब तो याद नहीं, बट मुझे एक चीज़ याद आ गई है संदीप. एक चीज़ जिससे मुझे पता है कि इट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. अगर आपको आपके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बिल कम करने हैं घर के, अगर आपको एक बेटर एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट वेट एंड कॉल दिस नंबर 713-904-0191. I am talking about Awake Solar. सबसे पहले तो I want to thank them and welcome them on Namaste Radio.
Welcome Awake Solar. Welcome to Namaste family.
Yes, and Awake Solar empowers homeowners and businesses to power their lives with better, less expensive, cleaner energy, creating a world that is powered by the sun. तो आप सोलर पैनल्स जब लगाते हैं, दे लास्ट फॉर 25 साल, 25 years with no maintenance. So start, saving money by installing these solar panels. And the process is very simple. Speak to a solar consultant. They will design your solar panel system, schedule a 1-day installation and काम खत्म. And आप फ्यूचर में अपने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे बचत ही बचत करिए. Do not pay for those high जो हर साल बढ़ते रहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. And when you get this installed, you will get a 26% federal tax credit. So contact for your free quote right now. Awake Solar 713-904-0191 and जी हाँ, mention करिए नमस्ते रेडियो and और specials पाइए.
That's right, 26% की saving on federal tax returns, guys. It's a steal. पैसे की बचत दोनों जगह. एक तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में भी आप पैसे बचाओगे and in fact you will get a 26% return on your federal tax returns.
जी हाँ. And संदीप, तो फिर आपने इस वीक क्या देखा? Because इससे पहले we go into our next ad break.
Yeah.
What was that one series that आपने ये वीक देखी?
So I have this habit of binging, right? I binged it, finished it within a day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it was called Criminal Justice.
Yes, it is a very good series.
Yes.
Yeah. Very. It caught our attention from the start, and 10 episodes.
Armies.
Me, my dad.
Oh, I was going to say Dadi.
I think Uncle and Deep always watch stuff together.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And I think we watched 3 together, but then when he went to sleep,
You just finished it like, I can't wait.
Yeah, I thought it was...
there's another one called City of Dreams. Have you seen that?
Yes, I have seen City of Dreams.
Yeah. So Criminal Justice में क्या होता है? Please refresh my memory. I know we've seen it.
Remember,
he was
I can.
Uber.
Yeah, you go ahead. तूने अभी नया देखा ना? Yeah, so he's an Uber driver. Remember, this girl comes and sits in his car. He's trying to kick her out of the car, but she doesn't want to. She goes and she drugs him, and then when he wakes up in her house, she's dead.
She's dead. Yeah.
And then he's thrown in the jail.
Yeah.
And jail में भी एक बंदा उसके पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think overall it was good. I kind of was expecting the ending to be a little bit better, but I think overall it's...
Jackie Shroff is in this one, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's the main gunda of the jail. So Sushil and I finally caught up on, and that's why I was saying that I will talk about Abhishek Bachchan. Breathe, season 2.
Yes.
And we finished it. That's Ashram. So we also saw Ashram actually.
Okay.
So both of them. But first talking about Breathe, I loved it. I mean, I didn't like the
ending.
Yes,
I liked it.
Like I thought ending itनी मजा नहीं आई नहीं मेरे को.
Ending मजा नहीं आई, but the good thing is have you watched it?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, so what I liked is that the other character, right? What's his name? Jay hasn't gone completely.
Amit Saad. Yeah.
No, Jay.
Jay.
His split character.
Oh, Jay.
His split. Sorry. He hasn't gone.
So at the end,
remember he starts limping again.
Yeah. So that was it C16 or something, right? That she hands him, and it says C16.
Yeah, something like that. C16.
Yeah.
So probably they're coming up with another season.
Back, yeah.
But I think Abhishek Bachchan did a great job.
I thought this was his best acting.
Yeah, he's done a great job.
Especially as Jay, like that dark side of him was amazing. And then the other one, Ashram, right? We haven't finished it. I think we have about an hour into it, but
hour and a half left, something like
really, wow, a new topic. And Bobby Deol is back, back with a bang.
So you liked it?
I liked it, but it's a little draggy in the middle. But at the end, I think it's going to get really interesting.
Oh, you haven't finished it yet?
And they have already come up with this next season.
It's about 7 hours long.
Yeah. Oh, okay. And it actually, takes, it's kind of a mix of a lot of Babas in India, who are like so-called gods of India. And a lot of people, even educated people, follow them. And a lot of rich people who give their money to them. So a lot of them, use their money in wrong things and all that, right? That's what they're trying to show, basically. And I won't take names, but they are trying to show 2-3 जो famous थे, उनका mix करके उन्होंने एक character बनाया Bobby Deol का. So I think it's fine.
Overall, good.
Yeah, it's definitely a watch, and I would love to see the second season. And Sarak 2 की मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि उसका reviews बहुत बुरे हैं और हमने 20 मिनट में वो movie बंद कर दी.
Yeah, so जिन्होंने नहीं देखी, it's available on Amazon Prime, right? Hotstar, sorry. Hotstar.
But yes, let's get into our commercial break. Come back with Bollywood birthdays right here on Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है. हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868. गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे. डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे. तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 8324669868. जय श्री गणेश.
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः.
COVID-19 has created an enormous health crisis and changed the way we perceive our everyday lives. We need something to prevent the spread of infectious diseases.
Don't worry, FaciliClean is here. Yes, FaciliClean is a trusted name when it comes to cleaning services in the greater Houston area and is a premier full-service cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting company. With the state-of-the-art equipment, technology, and certified technicians, FaciliClean offers high production spraying, disinfectant fogging, facility wipe-down, stream clean, and preventative solutions.
FaciliClean is committed to helping their clients keep their facilities, tenants, and employees safe, and also available on nights and weekends.
Call us today for a free quote, 713-234-5003. That's 713-234-5003. And like FaciliClean on Facebook and Instagram.
Are you feeling down, dull, and tired? Don't lose yourself in this pandemic. Let us help you get out of this cocoon feeling beautiful and relaxed. Rediscover yourself at the Classy Divas Salon and Spa.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल. आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at Maharaja Bhog.
आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंगें हैं, प्रॉपर्टी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है. क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
मेरे पास नमस्ते रेडियो है.
That's right. मेरे पास नमस्ते रेडियो है. हाय.
हाय.
तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
तुम भी रेडियो है.
तुम्हारे पास भी रेडियो है.
मेरे पास सिम्बा है.
इस साला तुम्हारे पास सिम्बा है तो हमारे पास सिम्बा और नमस्ते दोनों है. जी हाँ, हमारे पास तो नमस्ते रेडियो है और उम्मीद करते हैं आपके पास भी नमस्ते रेडियो है. आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए इस खूबसूरत सी संडे की दोपहर को, रविवार कहते हैं राइट?
यस.
रविवार की दोपहर को 1 से 5 बजे तक ऑन द वेव्स ऑफ 1050 1050 AM. मैं हूं सुशील, मेरे साथ है आप सबकी फेवरेट वंशिका और डोले वाले डीजे ठौली दीप. This segment known for their street food. That's what I would say. उनका वड़ा पाव ले लो, छोले भटूरे ले लो, राज कचौरी ले लो. संदीप ने फोटो लगाई, मुझे भूख लग रही है. एग घोटाला ले लो, one of my favorites. बॉम्बे ग्रिल सैंडविच ले लो. many more. इतना ही नहीं, उनके पास साउथ इंडियन मेन्यू से लेके नॉर्थ इंडियन मेन्यू, इंडियन चाइनीज मेन्यू.
So much curries. Their curries are so good.
अंडे का फंडा.
And अमृतसरी कुलचा छोले.
दिल्ली का चस्का, मुंबई का मस्का, सब है उनके पास.
I thought you were going to say दिल्ली का चड्डा.
नहीं, चड्डा नहीं उनके पास. ना, नो चड्डा. सब है उनके पास गाइस. सो गो हेड देयर. आप उनके पास डाइन इन भी कर सकते हैं. या इफ यू वांट यू कैन इवन पिक अप फूड फ्रॉम निर्मांस फूड बुटीक. दे इवन हैव टू गो boxes available as well.
That's right.
You can order delivery via Uber Eats, DoorDash, Favor, Grubhub, Postmates, or you can even call them directly for a curbside pickup. Their phone number is 832-532-0699. जब इतनी variety है आपके पास, options है, तो then why not use it? They're located at 16338 Kensington Drive, or you can visit them online at nirmans.com.
जी हाँ, आपने सही बोला, क्योंकि मैं अभी बोल रही थी मेरा पेट बहुत भरा हुआ है, लेकिन अगर मेरे को अभी ये राज कचौरी मिल जाए तो मैं खा सकती हूँ.
और if guys,
फिर भले 2 दिन कुछ नहीं खाऊं, बट ये खा लूंगी.
If you're online, अगर आप हमें FB पे देख रहे हैं तो you can see the pictures of the food.
FB, IGNFB, क्या बात है, आप बड़े टेक्निकल हो रहे हैं सोशल.
जब आप पेपरलेस हो चुकी हैं, आप iPad लेके आई हैं तो फिर
नहीं, डिजिटल यस, नो मोर प्रिंटिंग. लेकिन प्रिंटिंग और ये सब तो चलता रहेगा. लेकिन ये वीकेंड है लॉन्ग वीकेंड, लेबर डे वाला वीकेंड. तो आप सबको लेबर डे की बधाइयाँ जी, बधाइयाँ. खूब अपना फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताइए.
बेसिकली जब पूरा साल हम इतना मेहनत लगा के लेबर लगाते हैं, उसका डे है ना.
So basically, people should know, जिनको नहीं पता है, Labor Day is a federal holiday in the United States celebrated on the first Monday in September to honor and recognize the American labor movement and the works and contributions of laborers to the development and achievements of United States. It is the Monday of the long weekend known as the Labor Day weekend.
Oh, you mean development?
Yes. So
development.
आप सबको Labor Day, Happy Labor Day.
It's not the hospital वाला labor, huh?
No, it's not that. Wait. It is not. What do you mean hospital wala labor? What does that mean?
Labor होता ना?
हैं?
बच्चा आता है फिर.
Oh my God, social. Labor pains.
हाँ वही. Hospital वाला labor
नहीं, वो नहीं है. लेकिन yes, again, happy Labor Day and enjoy yourself, have fun. अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, बट उससे पहले हम जरूर एक गाने का ब्रेक लेंगे और उसके बाद हम संदीप का फेवरेट सेक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे.
लड़कियां.
चलती है पवन, क्यों झूमे है गगन, क्यों मचलता है मन, ना तुम जानो ना हम, ना तुम जानो ना हम। क्यों आती है बहार, क्यों लुटता है करार, क्यों होता है प्यार, ना तुम जानो ना हम, ना तुम जानो ना हम।
तुम जानो ना
हम। संदीप, आप बड़े मौके पे गाना बजाते हैं,
मौके पे चौका मारता है संदीप।
अब बात आ गई है बॉलीवुड बर्थडेज की ये वीक के
बर्थडे,
और आज राइट September 6 को है इनका बर्थडे, जिन्होंने ये जो अभी संदीप ने गाना बजाया। सोशल रेडी हो?
अच्छा, क्विज खेल रहे हैं, चलो शुरू हो जाओ।
ये गाना जो अभी संदीप ने बजाया, ये गाना जिस मूवी में था,
कहो ना प्यार है,
थे उनके डायरेक्टर
राजेश रोशन,
नॉट खन्ना, राजेश रोशन।
राजेश की डायरेक्टर नहीं, प्रोड्यूसर भी है।
राजेश, इट्स राकेश।
ओ राकेश,
हां, बड़े बड़े भाई
So
Rakesh.
he's the older brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Rajesh is the he's a music director, right?
Look at his younger picture, right?
Baal aur mooch.
Now you see where Ritik's.
Yeah,
तुमसे बढ़कर दुनिया में, I think वो movie की photo है, कामचोर.
He was in that Khoon Bari Maang, na? He is the one who's Rekha's husband and he dies.
Yeah, and he's the one who produced and directed the movie as well.
Oh, so yes, आज है राकेश रोशन उर्फ ऋतिक रोशन के डैडी का बर्थडे, September 6. तो हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Robert.
Happy birthday, yes. एंड सुशील, अब इसके बारे में बताइए आप, ये कौन है? September 7 जो है कल, ए लेडी हैं,
गागा तो नहीं है?
नहीं, लेडी गागा नहीं है. Actually, by the way, have you seen Lady Gaga's latest pictures?
No.
She has lost weight. But
how much more weight can she lose? She was already like.
No, she was very heavy. Oh no, I'm not, yeah, no, I'm talking about Adele actually. Sorry, forget it. Okay, ये जो हैं जिनका बर्थडे कल है, okay, ये आजकल हर सीरीज में होती हैं.
ये कौन सा क्लू है यार? ये आजकल हर सीरीज में होती है.
हर सीरीज में होती हैं.
That's a good clue. That's a good clue.
Thank you, Sandeep.
ये तो बहुत वेग हो गया.
She's a young girl.
Was she in 4 More Shots? Is that the girl?
No.
There's another girl who's in almost every series possible.
I'll give you another clue. She had a movie where she dated a guy who was blind.
She dated a guy. Oh, this is a movie, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो सनम रे में थी ना वो, that girl. What's her name? Vicky Donor.
नहीं.
No.
Close. The actor of Vicky Donor was the blind guy.
The actor of Vicky.
I mean, that
actor Vicky Donor was that. क्या नाम है लड़की का यार वो?
आपसे पूछे आप हमसे.
पानी दा रंग देख के.
She was in Sacred Games.
She was in Sacred Games. She was in all freaking series.
She was in Love Stories.
अभी भी थी.
Love Stories में.
Love Stories. The first.
That's not. No, she's an actress. Love Stories में तो. क्या नाम है उसका?
अभी भी
कबीर सिंह.
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी के साथ एक सीरीज में थी. अभी रिसेंटली हमने देखा था.
Series. और movie.
Movie.
That was a movie.
What series? रात अकेली है मैं.
Yeah.
राधिका आप्टे.
There you go.
So that's not a series. It's a movie.
But whatever I meant.
No, you confused me then.
No, this is your way of getting out of it.
And that blind movie I was talking about, Andhadhu.
Exactly. And
I like her.
Before we get into another song, एक बहुत ही legend क्या बोलें?
Oh yeah, my dad is really looking forward to this birthday. Actually.
This birthday, he loves her.
Radhika Apte's?
Probably. But
September 8 को है ये legendary singer का birthday. I mean.
लता मंगेशकर.
नहीं, very close.
Very close.
आशा भोसले.
जी हाँ.
दोनों बहनें तो हैं.
हाँ, तभी तो हमने बोला very close. I mean, COVID close is the best thing. If you're seeing someone without a mask in COVID, that means you are really close. That's the best way. आजकल एक दूसरे को closeness जताने का यही तो तरीका है, मास्क उतार दो.
So do we know if she's still singing right now, or she like taking?
She would love to, but then she has a lot of issues with her voice now. I
Who?
guess.
Okay.
Asha. I don't think she's getting an opportunity to sing anymore. That's why.
ये इतने नए सिंगर्स आ गए. नेहा कक्कड़ ने तो हर गाना गा दिया अब तो.
खुद के गाने तो है नहीं, but mix कर करके गाने गाए.
Neha Kakkar now you hear less of Shreya and Sunidhi too.
Yes.
Yeah. Sunidhi is gone.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't heard a song from her in the last 2 years.
Yeah. So Rakesh Roshan September 6th, Radhika Apte September 7th, and Asha Bhosle ji on September 8th.
Yes.
And मैं क्या कर रही हूँ मैं भूल गई actually, to be very honest.
So should we get to
Bollywood birthdays you were doing?
Yeah, we're doing that.
We were
Before
doing
we get
Bollywood
into the
birthdays.
next one, let's play another.
Yes, and ये गाना बजाने से पहले मैं ये सबको याद दिला दूं कि टेम्पल जाना बड़ा ज़रूरी है. तो आप ज़रूर जाइए सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन जो लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू पे. आप ज़रूर मास्क पहन के जाइए. अभी अभी वहाँ पे बहुत ही बढ़िया गणेश उत्सव ख़त्म हुआ है, लेकिन दिवाली आने वाली है, आजकल श्राद्ध चल रहे हैं, तो आप ज़रूर जाइए. एंड आपसे निवेदन है कि अगर आप श्राद्ध में कुछ दान और अपने किसी जो गुजर चुके हैं अपने परिवार के लिए किसी दान करना चाहते हैं, ज़रूर मंदिर में पैसों का दान करिए. दिस टाइम द टेम्पल नीड्स यू टू कम एंड डोनेट. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग देम लिटिल राइस, लिटिल दाल या कुछ भी, आप उनको पैसे दीजिए, वो मंदिर में ज़्यादा काम आते हैं. तो पंडित जी का सबका यही निवेदन है. और वो आप आएंगे तो आप पूजा भी होती है मंदिर में. सो कॉन्टैक्ट पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी. आपको जिस तरीके की भी पूजा करानी है, आपको वर्चुअल भी पूजा करानी है, उनका नंबर है 832-466-9868. एंड फॉलो गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑन Facebook and Instagram.
Let's play this one here. This was Radhika Apte with Akshay. Come on. In
Padman.
आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई. आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया. आज से तेरी सारी गलियां मेरी हो गई. आज से मेरा घर तेरा हो गया. आज से मेरी सारी खुशियाँ तेरी हो गई. आज से तेरा गम मेरा हो गया. ओ तेरे कांधे का जो दिल है, ओ तेरे सीने में जो दिल है, ओ तेरी बिजली का जो बिल है, आज से मेरा हो गया. ओ मेरे ख्वाबों का अंबर, ओ मेरी खुशियों का समंदर, ओ मेरे पिन कोड का नंबर, आज से तेरा हो गया.
जी हाँ, आज से नमस्ते रेडियो आप सबका हो गया. हमने दान कर दिया नमस्ते रेडियो.
नेक्स्ट
हु इज नेक्स्ट? हम बात क्या कर रहे हैं? बॉलीवुड बर्थडेज, राइट?
यस.
जी हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट है बहुत ही फेवरेट एक्टर हैं जो बिल्कुल सुशील की तरह सुबह 4 बजे उठ के एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. बिल्कुल दारू नहीं पीते सुशील की तरह, बिल्कुल सिगरेट नहीं पीते सुशील की तरह, और रात को 8 बजे बिल्कुल सुशील की तरह सो जाते हैं.
अक्षय कुमार.
जी हाँ, देखा? आई न्यू सुशील वुड नो हिम बिकॉज़ सुशील का रिजीम है ही ये.
नहीं, ये सुशील की बात नहीं करे. सी मेंट टू से सलमान. सलमान का रिजीम है, मेरा नहीं.
सो वी आर यस अक्षय कुमार खिलाड़ियों के खिलाड़ी.
It's on the night.
Is it only me or you tell me if you have also felt this? Akshay looks good, handsome when he's like, normal दिखता है, लेकिन जब वो हंसता है ना, like especially how he laughed in Janeman movie.
Oh, God.
Where he played Salman Khan's friend or Preeti Zinta's He Falls in Love. I kind of like that movie though, but बहुत ही अजीब हंसता है अक्षय कुमार. लेकिन अक्षय कुमार का बर्थडे है September 9th को, which is Wednesday, right?
Yep.
जी हाँ. So that is Akshay Kumar's birthday. And on September 10th is a director, pretty famous director.
Very famous.
Mahesh Bhatt.
And आपने इनके बारे में अभी बात भी करी थी, right? Because आपने बोला था कि अमित त्रिवेदी को.
He gave Amit Trivedi his first.
Oh, Devdi.
Yes.
अनुराग कश्यप.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And अनुराग कश्यप की 3-4 और मूवीज बता दो.
Gangs of Wasseypur, अनुराग कश्यप की मूवी है. If I'm not mistaken, Dabang is Anurag Kashyap.
Yeah, the first one.
The first one, yeah. Anurag Kashyap.
Which was the only good Dabang.
Good.
Yeah. देव हो गई 3 मूवी तो बता दी.
After that, द चला गया, बंग रह गया.
Oh, what about this one? Manmarjia. He did that too, didn't he?
I don't know. I don't like that movie, so I don't know.
Yeah, he did.
Sushil doesn't like it because it's a romantic movie.
I picked a funny picture. He looks like a serial killer.
Yeah, he does actually. And he was married to Kalki Koechlin, right? Or how do you say it? Kalki.
Kalki, he was married.
Kalki ठीक है.
Kalki, yeah, Kalki, and he got married after Dev D.
Yeah.
Because she was in Dev D too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So then, yes, moving forward, अनुराग कश्यप का बर्थडे September 10th को है, लेकिन 11th September को है.
She's a beauty.
She is a beauty, really?
ऐश्वर्या.
नहीं, अच्छा सुशील को ये इसलिए पता है बिकॉज ये पिक्चर पता नहीं सुशील को क्यों पसंद है, और वो उन्होंने 1 नहीं 2 नहीं 3-4 बारी तो मैंने देखा है इनको देखते हुए. He forced me to watch it only once.
Movie.
After I was forced.
Yeah, you're always forced to watch it.
Yeah, but he has seen it 3-4 times.
There's so many of them like that.
And इसमें अजय देवगन है.
Oh, that's one of my all-time favorites.
ये उनकी बीवी हैं उस मूवी में.
हाँ, काजोल.
नहीं, रियल लाइफ बीवी नहीं है, ये मूवी में उनकी बीवी हैं. अजय देवगन है जो उसमें तब्बू भी है.
दृश्यम.
Yes. तो कौन है ये लड़की?
Oh, तब्बूसम का बर्थडे.
जो अजय देवगन की बीवी तब्बू है.
श्रेया सरन.
हाँ, सुशील को ना 10 सेकंड सोचने को चाहिए होते, उस समय 10 सेकंड तक वो कुछ और बातें करते रहते हैं. बहुत शाने हैं.
I really liked that movie though. Why did you didn't like it?
No, I liked it, but
it was a South Indian. It was a remake of South Indian movie.
But I saw it like one and another half time. That's it. I mean,
the reason I like that movie, I thought that movie was very well written and directed very intelligently. That's why.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
The way he escapes and hides proof from
Yeah.
cops, it's amazing, man.
Yeah, hides proof. The way he escapes, especially that ending twist where he showed where he actually buried the body.
No, he doesn't say. Shows them where he buried the body. When she gets suspended, she asks him that, it's been 6 months. Every time a phone rings, we think our son is going to come back. So
Yeah.
just let us know if he'll ever come back or not.
Yeah.
So he says he gives her a clue. He doesn't directly tell her no. He gives her a clue that the place your son is at, he'll never come back from there. That's what he tells her.
No, yeah, but then at the end, he actually walks out of the police station, and they show that's where.
Yes, they show to us where he buried. And man, smartly, who the hell in the world is going to dig in a police
Yeah, I
station
know.
or even think that a body is buried there?
That's right. और एक और बर्थडे बचा है संदीप,
Oh,
लेकिन
by the way, she's married. I think she's married to a white guy.
श्रेया सरन.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, she got married to a white guy.
Oh. So let's get into another song and then come back with the last birthday of the week and a quick recap of the birthdays.
Recap of the birthdays. Okay. And
Birthdays.
this song here is one of my dad's favorites for Asha Bhosle.
सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे मैंने तुझे जरा देर में जाना हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना ओ मेरी बाहों से निकल के तू अगर मेरे रास्ते से हट जाएगा तो लहरा के उबल खा के मेरा साया तेरे तन से लिपट जाएगा तुम छोड़ो लाख दामों छोड़ते हैं कभी अरमां कि मैं भी साथ रहूंगी रहोगी जहाँ ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना
ऐसे काम करने ही क्यों है जब जान देने की बारी आई? धमकी दे रही है, पुलिस को फोन कर लाओ. ये सुसाइड की बातें कर रही है गाने पे.
Really?
Really? दे दूं कि जान जुदा मत होना.
धमकी दे रही है ना, अगर जुदा होगा तो जान दे दूंगी.
सुशील, ये
It's a
रोमांस
threat.
है. इसको कहते हैं रोमांस. वेरी क्लियरली यू आर अनअवेयर ऑफ दिस पार्ट.
इसको बोलते हैं थ्रेड.
रोमांस बोलते हैं इसको. लेकिन क्योंकि ये गाना यू सेड डैड को बड़ा पसंद है, तो हम सबको याद दिलाते चलें अबाउट मिस्टर प्रदीप सुल्हान. प्रदीप सुल्हान पीसी सर्टिफाइड पब्लिक अकाउंटेंट हैं, 25 सालों से कर रहे हैं. तो भाई फिर इससे ज़्यादा तो एक्सपीरियंस आपको पता है होता ही नहीं है किसी के पास. तो यू नो ही इज़ द राइट पर्सन टू कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर ऑल योर अकाउंटिंग सर्विसेज, audit and reviews, tax services, tax strategies and consulting, company formation and setup. And like we always say, Namaste is here because he formed Namaste. Right. So contact him at 281-580-8700. Pradeep Sulan PC 281-580-8700.
जब इतनी ज्ञान की बातें हो रही हैं तो एक ज्ञान का सवाल संदीप हम आपसे पूछेंगे.
अच्छा पूछो.
इसमें है, बताओ मुझे दोस्त मेरे कि फ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड में क्या फर्क होता है. आप तो सिंगल है तो आपसे तो पूछ ही सकते हैं. और गर्लफ्रेंड.
So friend is friend, girlfriend is
girl only. No, friend can be boy or a girl.
Yeah. Friend is, it can be either boy or girl.
Difference
is that she's a girl.
फ्रेंड वो है जिससे हम उधार लेते हैं. फ्रेंड वो है जिससे हम उधार लेते हैं, और गर्लफ्रेंड वो है जिसके लिए हम उधार लेते हैं.
सही बात है.
सही बात है ना. ये एक और एक ये वो तो वही बात होगी, हमारे पप्पू वाली बात हो गई कि पप्पू जो स्कूल में था, एक दिन स्कूल में टीचर ने पप्पू से सवाल पूछा और बोला एक सवाल पूछती हूँ पप्पू, बताओ सलवार के नाड़े को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं. सलवार के नाड़े को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं. तो पप्पू ने कहा, जी मैम उसे PhD कहते हैं. PhD. तो जैसा आपके मुंह चेहरे पे एक्सप्रेशन है वैसा ही टीचर के था. टीचर ने बोला इसका मतलब समझाओ. तो पप्पू ने बोला, जी मैडम वेरी सिंपल, पजामा होल्डिंग डिवाइस.
दैट्स करेक्ट. तो हम बात कर रहे थे बॉलीवुड बर्थडेज की, और लास्ट जो बॉलीवुड बर्थडे बचा है, क्योंकि हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, 30 सेकेंड मैं बता ही देती हूँ ये कौन है. ये थोड़े टाइम से सीरियल से मूवीज में आई थी, लेकिन अब ये गायब हो चुकी हैं. एंड ये एकता कपूर प्रोडक्ट हैं. So I am talking about Prachi Desai. Her birthday is on September 13. You, me or I, yes. Right? That was some. No, you, me and I don't know. Yes, उसमें थी अर्जुन रामपाल के साथ. अर्जुन रामपाल नहीं, जॉन इब्राहिम. ओके, दोनों एक जैसे दिखते हैं. तो क्विक रिकैप. राकेश रोशन September 6 राकेश. राधिका आप्टे September 7 राधिका आप्टे. यस. आशा भोसले September 8. अक्षय कुमार या राजीव भाटिया September 9th. अनुराग कश्यप September 10th. श्रेया सरन September 11th. And Prachi Desai September 13th. Right. So she looks quite हाई शाई दिख रही है ये फोटो में. संदीप जो आपने पिक करी है, ये तो आशा भोसले. नहीं आपने राधिका आपने तो ऐसा लग रहा है कपड़े नहीं पहनी है. लेकिन मैं प्राची देसाई की बात करती हूँ. बट that was our Bollywood birthday section.
We'll come back now with world and local summertime.
Woohoo!
Keep it locked in. Namaste Radio on 1050 AM.
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो, मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Let's go!